Hi friends, in today's video, we are solving a logarithmic equation with different base figures. The equation is log x to the base 9 plus log x to the base 81 plus log x to the base 3 equals 7. In problems of this kind, the first step is to convert different base figures into the same base figure if possible. You can see each of these base figures being powers of 3. So let me rewrite the equation as follows. 9 I'm writing as 3 squared, 81, 3 to the power 4, then 3 as it is equals 7. Now we'll make use of a rule in logarithm, which is this. Log a to the power of p to the base b to the power of q equals p over q log a to the base b. You compare this to this. See, the argument is not in the exponential form, but you can take 1 as the power of x if you write just x. Okay. So p will be 1 and q will be 2 here. Applying that rule, the equation may be rewritten as 1 over 2. Look at this, p is equal to 1 and q is equal to 2. Okay. Then comes log x 3. A and b are x and 3. Using the same logic to the other terms, you get 1 over 4 log x to the base 3. And here you can just write log x to the base 3 equals 7. Now you can see log x being common. Let me factor it out. So inside you will have 1 over 2 plus 1 over 4 plus 1 over 3. Sorry, I made a mistake here. This will be just 1. There is no 1 by 3. The coefficient is 1 here. So let me write 1 here. So you have 1 over 2 plus 1 over 4 plus 1 multiplied by log x to the base 3, which is the common factor, equals 7. Now let me simplify this. 4, I hope you know how to simplify fractions. This is what you get by simplifying this. Log x to the base 3 equals 7. This on further simplification you get 7 over 4 log x to the base 3 equals 7. This implies you can cancel these two and you will have log x to the base 3 the whole divided by 4, that is this 4 equal to 1. Cancelled means there is 1 left over here. Now take 4 to the right side. You will have log x to the base 3 equal to 1 multiplied by 4. Here it is division. On the right side it becomes multiplication. So 1 multiplied by 4. So we got log x to the base 3 equal to 4. And let me use the definition of the basic definition of logarithm, which says when you keep x on the left side, taking 3 to the other side, it will go like this. See, logarithm is the inverse operation of exponentiation. There's a basic definition of logarithm. And this on further simplification, you get 81. So x equal to 81 is the final solution to the given equation. Now to verify whether we got the correct solution, all you need to do is just plug in x equal to 81 in the given equation. So let me rewrite the left side of the equation. This is the given equation. Log x to the base 9, log x to the base 81 plus log x to the base 3. This is the left side of the equation. Plugging x equal to 81 in this equation, you get log 81 to the base 9 plus log 81 to the base 81 plus log 81 to the base 3. Now 81 is 9 squared to the base 9. This log 81 to the base 81, as you know, is 1. And the third term, 81, let me write 3 to the power 4 as 81, then the base figure 3. Now you know that using the power rule, 2 will come down and you will have log 9 to the base 9 plus 1. Similarly, this 4 will come down and you will have log 3 to the base 3. This equals, okay, I'm using the power rule in logarithm, which says log a to the power of m to the base b equals m log a to the power b. This is the rule applied here. Now this is 2 multiplied by 1. Logarithm of 9 to the same base 1. So 2. This 1 again 4 multiplied by 1 because log 3 to the base 3. And this on simplification 7. And this was the right side of the equation, showing the solution we got was correct. See, as we know, logarithm is an important topic for all competitive exams and for higher mathematics. So it's good to have a clear idea about logarithm. And also you should know how to solve logarithmic equations. If you found this video useful, please like my video and subscribe to my channel and share it with others who you think might benefit from this. Also press the bell icon so that you will be getting many more interesting problems of this kind in future. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.